Hi there. I wanted to take a moment to walk you through a few simple aftercare reminders following your filler treatment today with Rejuvime Medical. Your provider has already reviewed these instructions with you, but this quick refresher can help you care for the treated area and support the best possible results. For the first day or two after treatment, it is important to give the area time to settle. Please avoid touching or massaging the treated area unless your provider specifically instructed you to do so. You should also avoid strenuous exercise and excessive heat. This includes saunas, hot tubs, and tanning beds. If possible, avoid dental work for about 2 weeks. Dental procedures can place pressure around the treated areas and may increase swelling. Some swelling is completely normal after filler treatments. Most swelling lasts between 2 and 5 days, although lip treatments can sometimes take a little longer to fully settle. You can apply an ice pack to the area to help with swelling. Use it intermittently for about 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Bruising may also occur and can last between 5 and 10 days. Some patients find that supplements such as bromelain or arnica can help support the healing process. While complications are rare, there are a few symptoms that require immediate attention. Please contact our clinic right away if you experience severe or worsening pain. You should also reach out if your skin turns pale, white, or blotchy. Please let us know if you experience changes in your vision or if you have any swelling that becomes significantly worse after 48 hours. Another rare side effect could be signs of infection, such as fever, warmth in the area, or pus. These should also be evaluated promptly. These symptoms are uncommon, but it is important that we hear from you immediately if they occur. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your Rejuvime team. We are always happy to help. We look forward to seeing your results develop over the next couple of weeks.